Hello. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of United Cutlery UC3068 with our USMC NCO sword. Just got this in here today. Going to see what it's like. Upside down. Okay. Alright. So far, looks like an NCO saber. Right now, my immediate impression is garbage. You can already hear the blade rattling around in this. Ah. The tassel showed up stained. This handle is absolutely terrible and boxy. I don't know if you can see just how squared off that handle is, but it's smaller than expected. It's not comfortable. Okay, they have a deep engraving. Ooh. That's bad. Engraving is very deep. Has no background to it though. And this blade is not much more than just a flattened plate of steel. You know, for a ceremonial sword, you really don't want it sharpened, but I have seen multiple reviews or descriptions online of people trying to sell these saying sharpened blade. The so-and-so inch long sharp blade. This is not sharp. UC3068 stainless steel, handcrafted in China. And I have no idea what's going on here. That is that should not be there. And this is a frog hook. It hooks onto the frog, so it stays on your belt. I've never seen any version of them where it had a screw, but I have no idea what this is for. But this is very boxy and flat and very cumbersome. Comparison. You can see immediate differences. Immediate differences. This right here is nice leather. It's very rounded and curved, just a little bit flat, very narrow, fits the blade. Very little wobble. Can't actually hear the blade shaking in there. It's just up here. This one is flat, it's big, it's bulky, it's some sort of synthetic leather. They stitched it right along the edge here. It should be stitched along the back side that's against you. And again, this whole thing, what? Not there. And this handle, the United Cutlery one, is small. I mean, I'm a big guy, but my hands are not overly sized. They fit in normal large gloves. But that is very tight compared to, see how much extra room I have in this one? That's what it should be like. This is, again, this is flattened on the sides. It's boxy. I'm not even sure that's real wire wrapped around it. It looks like it might just be like tinsel. And you can see where the handle separates from the bell up here. It's just all around sloppy, shoddy garbage. And this, you see, it's real wire. It's wrapped all the way around. It's very tight up against the bell. It's curved, and it fits the hand. Notice how it has this little curve to fit the hand. Notice how this one is just a little whoop. No. I don't know what this is that's stuck on here. No idea what that is. But, and I mentioned deep engraving, but no black background. See, now this one is nice and black and pretty. But in terms of balance, yeah. If you wanted to practice sword manual with this, you probably could if your hands were small enough. Its balance is about on par with the ones that the government will let you borrow if you're a Marine. Ugh. I mean, look at this. Just look how flat and boxy that is. Now compare it to that. Flat and boxy versus curved, smooth. Now I paid $70 for the sword, which is not a lot. I mean, it's very cheap for NCO saber. But, I mean, this... Look at that. Oh, that's just shoddy. This looks and feels like a $20 costume piece. I paid $70 for it, and I paid $50 too much.